right, hey Wildcats, Mr. Graber back here again. We have some special awards for our October assembly. So we're going to start like we always do with our Service Above Self, which goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond with their words and their actions and their character. So this month's recipient for our Service Above Self goes to third grader Reese Cooper. We do want to thank our Harrisonville Rotary Club for sponsoring that award. Next, we'll give out the awards for our Wildcats of the Month. We want to thank our Harrisonville Police Department for sponsoring that award. So our two first grade Wildcats of the Month are Lyrics Culver and Haley Brown. And our two second grade Wildcats of the Month are Georgie Kaufman and Henry Marshall. And our two third grade Wildcats of the Month are Mackenzie Soderstrom and Nolan Davis. So congratulations to all those students. And finally, Mrs. Sumner or myself once a month picks a classroom at HES for our counseling award. And so this month's award goes to this third grade classroom, which is Miss Hassick. So congratulations to Miss Hassick's class who gets the counseling award.
Hi Wildcats, this is Dr. Falke and I'm here to present your October awards. We're going to start with our Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today, we are presenting our awards to our October mathematicians. Congratulations to the recipients. Zoe Henderson, Leighton Waters, Star Horton, Jade Hendren, Abby Pruitt, Trip Williams, Wyatt Motzkus, Caden Brown, Ben Miller, Evelyn Hunter, Will Miller, Brinley Larson, Genevieve Oldham, Jackson Thompson, Macy Seymour, Jackson Irwin, McKinley Marriott, Jace Thomas, Abby Enderly, Colton Sanders, Annabelle DeMoro, and Brantley Graw. Congratulations to our October Mathematicians of the Month. Now we're going to present our October Character Trait Awards. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited responsibility during the month of October. The recipients make good decisions and are great leaders here at HES. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for October. Gavin Gutjar, Bradley Thornton, Millie Wolf, Jax Sizemore, Gage Petchel, Eden Gaines, Meredith Blowers, Ben Litchfield, Autumn Brown, Rucker Noel, Michaela Coffey, Adriana Bruce, Madeline Phillips, Caleb Ritter, Cora Hawkins, Zachary Pruitt, Casey Canoy, Peyton Waller, Miller Hilbrandt, America Rodriguez, Bryson Heineman, Hyde Smith, Brooklyn Cecil, Lyra Dominic, Briar Warner, Zane Cantrell, Macy Burnett, Connor Boyd, Harper Chenoweth, Drake Dubray, Johnny Moylan, Levi Pendleton, Kinsley Brown, Adeline Cheney, Cody Vanover, Reagan Middleton, Cameron Woolberg, Marley Spratt, Maverick Schlotzauer, Emily Bowman, Allison Munoz Evans, Emma Britton and Array. Congratulations to our October Respect Character Trait winners of the month.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room, and I'm excited to recognize the artists that were part of our log cabin art show this past October on the square at the Chamber of Commerce office. We have quite a few names, so listen up as we congratulate third grade artists Eli Sharp, Nolan Payne, Autumn Brown, Drake Dubray, Madeline Malone, Connor Burton, Leo Teeter, Rucker Noel, Summer Brown, Devin Miller, Izzy Cunningham, Kinsey Moreland, Hyde Smith, Sunny Jackson, Lexi Dansforth, Jersey Hargrave, Madison Cavender, Dee Dee Klinger, Emerson Matthews, Abby Coltrane, Bailey Deerdorf, Petra Arnold, Carter Bonart, Aiden Sharp, Blakely Kanoy, and Avery Saunders. Avery. And second grade names. The second grade artists at the show were Sadie Jones, Rooney Julene, Eli Weidenman, Ashlyn Anderson, Matthew Inky, Array. The first grade artists showing at the Log Cabin Festival were Jameson Burrows, Gage Butler, David Gravy, McKenna Rushley, Charlotte Arnold, Lyrics Culver, Everett Holbrook, Athena Parnell, Noel Bevan, and Brady Snyder. What an awesome show, boys and girls. Thank you so much. You'll be getting your certificates and artwork after the assembly. Today, I also want to congratulate second grade art class, Mrs. Castellano's class. Mrs. Castellano's class have been able to come to art and show awesome progress as they have increased their teamwork together and expressing their creativity. Thank you, Mrs. Castellano's class.
All right, hi friends, Coach Weigel here. I'm presenting the Sportsmanship Award for this month, and the lucky class is Mrs. Baldwin's class. Congratulations, guys. You have demonstrated positive attitudes towards your team and others and been very good sports for this month. So I really appreciate it. This is the trophy that you win. And for our first grade, we have Eliel Ramirez and Abigail Davis. Congratulations, guys. In second grade, we have Reagan Middleton and John Marshall. Very good job. In third grade, we have Eden Gaines and Miller Hilbrand. Yes, have a great day, guys.
Hi there, Wildcats and Wildcat families. I'm Mrs. Hearn, the music teacher, and I am so excited today to present to you some music awards to some great musicians here at HES. This past month in October, our third graders have been working really hard getting ready for their Christmas musical coming up in December that we're going to present virtually. And then our first and second graders have had a lot of fun in music this month, learning some fun and silly pumpkin songs and games, and learning how to use our voices in all kinds of silly and spooky ways to help us learn to sing more tunefully. And we've also been listening to some very famous art songs from music masters from around the world, the Surprise Symphony and In the Hall of the Mountain King. So today, I want to first present our class awards. Every month we have a little competition in the music room to see who can earn the most stickers on the Bravo board for working together, teamwork, for just doing great things in music. Lots of different ways they can do that. So the third grade winner this month is Mrs. Baldwin's class. The second grade winner is Mrs. Durnell's class. And the first grade winners are Mrs. Florence's class. So congratulations. And then I also want to give out my individual Music Stars Awards. I select one student from every class who's done outstanding work in music. So this month in Miss Arbace's class, congratulations to Wren Hill. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, Kara Widener. In Mr. Barasco's class, Hudson Hargrave. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Casey Gum. In Miss Hassick's class, Brooklyn Cecil. In Miss Hayden's class, Macy Burnett. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Hadley Crotty. Then in our second grade classes, Mrs. Castellano's class, congratulations to Raylan Neal. In Mrs. Durnell's class, Persephone Woodford. In Miss Harrigan's class, America Rodriguez. In Mrs. Hastings' class, Lyra Domnick. In Mrs. Schenker's class, Cameron Wolberg. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Isabel Morales. In Mr. Wade's class, Skylar Harris. And then in our first grade classes, Mrs. Arnold's, Millie Wolf. In Mrs. Brown's class, Lyrics Culver. In Miss Eccles' class, Lily Sharp. In Mrs. Florence's class, Grant Conriff. In Miss Holman's class, Brogan Witherspoon. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Skylar LaPlante. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Harmony Wallace. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, Dallas Hall. Congratulations, Wildcat musicians.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lahman from the library. I just want to say to everyone, we had a great week at Book Fair this week. I appreciate how well everybody enjoyed it and behaved. It was really a great week. For the month of October, my award goes to a very sweet class in first grade, Miss Holman's class. Congratulations.